Already selling a crossover named Dolphin and a sedan named Seal, BYD is no stranger to aquatic vehicle names. The newest product from the Chinese automotive giant is a bit more aggressive, with BYD naming its new plug-in hybrid pickup truck Shark. The Shark is slated to compete with the Ford Ranger and Chevrolet Colorado, as well as Toyota Hilux and Nissan Navara in global markets. Penned by Wolfgang Egger, BYD's global design director who previously worked at Alfa Romeo, Audi and Lamborghini, the Shark has a bold overall design with masculine and boxy lines. There are a lot of similarities with the Ford F-150 Lightning. The BYD name is stamped on the tailgate and grille like what we've seen in the F-150 Raptor. The Shark comes with a 1.5-liter turbo 4-cylinder hybrid that outputs 430 combined horsepower and a towing capacity of 5,511 pounds. The transmission it comes with is an ECVT, and of course it is a 4-wheel drive. The payload is 1,841 pounds, and the torque number is not available at the moment. The Shark has an EV-only range of 62 miles thanks to its 30 kWh blade battery, and can cover 528 miles with the full tank and charged battery. This is more range than any other mid-size pickup truck in America, including the hybrids. The truck debuts BYD's dual-mode off-road chassis, which enables an intelligent all-wheel drive system with the virtual differential that prevents wheel slip. 3 off-road modes are available: sand, snow, and mud. Like other EVs in the market, the Shark can be used to power some devices, like farming or construction tools, or electric grills at a campsite. Inside, BYD used multiple colors to highlight some of the cabin's design features. The rectangular air vents and some toggle switches in the center console are painted in orange, with contrast stitching on the seats, dashboard, and door panels. A rotative 12.8-inch screen is the star of the show. The screen can be used in portrait or landscape mode and supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A separate 10.25-inch screen for the driver displays vital information about the truck, and a 12-inch head-up display can show the speed and direction to the driver. While the 2024 BYD Shark is not available in America, the truck will be sold south of the border starting at $53,440.